In this video, I'm going to show you how I upload custom thumbnails to my YouTube Shorts. This video might be a little technical for some, but I will try my best to explain it. It's important to know that you would need a mobile phone and a PC to do it. First, it's important to understand that YouTube doesn't allow us to choose a custom thumbnail after we've uploaded the short video. Instead, we need to embed our custom thumbnail inside the short video and then select that frame as a thumbnail. Let's start by placing the thumbnail at the very first frame of our video. You can choose either the first or the last frame, as we will trim it afterward. Now let's upload the short. Go to the phone and open the YouTube app. Tap the plus button and ensure that you are in the short section. Then tap on this square to choose your video. Choose your video, then continue through the steps until you reach the page with a little pencil icon. Use this to select the first frame as your preferred thumbnail. We're going to choose our first frame, then continue. Then complete the upload as usual. After uploading the short, go to the YouTube Studio page on your computer or use the desktop site option on your phone. We will navigate to the content section, then the Shorts tab. Click on the details of your short, go to the editor, and select Trim and Cut. Then zoom in on the timeline. Now click and hold your mouse on here and trim the custom thumbnail until you see it disappears. Then save your changes. This will re-encode the short without the custom thumbnail. Sometimes you might encounter an issue where the custom thumbnail can't be previewed before uploading. To fix this, we will have to do multiple steps. First, we need to export our video in the highest quality we can because we will re-encode the video again for it to work. I usually export my short videos as ProRes 422HQ, which retains high quality without compressing like H.264 or H.265. If you are using DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, make sure to export it in the highest bitrate available. For me, after exporting it to the highest quality available, I will open Handbrake, which is a free open source tool for encoding videos. You can download it from this link. We will use it to encode the high bitrate video, which is ProRes in my case, to H.264 video but with more options to ensure that the YouTube app on our phone accepts it. I will add my video by dragging and dropping it on Handbrake. Then I will go to the Video tab and choose the video encoder as X264. This is crucial for enabling the preview on the YouTube mobile app. Then under the quality, I will choose an RF number of about 23 to 20. I always choose the slowest preset to encode to make sure I get the best quality for the size, but at the expense of slower encoding time. Since we are dealing with a short video, it doesn't matter as much. Now inside Advanced Options, I will paste these parameters, which are again crucial for enabling the preview. Then for audio, I will go to the Audio tab and make sure to use AAC audio codec and choose 320 kilobits per second bitrate. Then I will start encoding the video, which then I will send back to my phone to enable the preview, then go on with the steps that we learned earlier. To make these steps less confusing, I made Handbrake preset so you can use it whenever you want to encode the videos. You can download it from the link I provided in the description box, then you can just import it from here. Whenever you want to encode the videos, just choose the preset from this drop-down menu and start encoding. If you like more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.